Here we have some completed chassis. Some small details to note here. See all the vector blocks in the corners. These have single HSS columns, but there's some triples over there. That's all per structural, all kind of per design. And sometimes we weld these plates here. So these are called torque plates. So in certain situations, you have to be able to get in here and bolt this down. You can see this threaded connection and this bolt are specialized connections specific to Zmodular. And you need to actually put a plate here to apply force when ratcheting this down on site. So sometimes you'll see this here. Now this is a gusset plate. This is a plate that goes on the bottom of the block so you can actually connect it to other modules. This is specific, so this vector block can then connect to one this way and going the other direction. This channel here is for the corridor. So you know this is the angle iron for the corridor, which will then be fabricated going this way. So this is the inside corridor wall going out to the exterior. Chassis are repetitive. You can have multiple different chassis in a building, but not every chassis is unique. Part of the design qualities of using with a Zmodular project is that you can have repetitive chassis design, but independent unit design. And so that way it'll speed up fabrication and just kind of the whole process, more of a manufacturing stance than just pure construction.